What's going on, guys? So I'm sure you can tell by the title of the video what I did, but I just got done wrapping it up and everything. Really excited for this. I've always really liked the Rockwell lights. I like the wheel lights as well, but not really something I want to do on this truck. And I really do like the white. That's what the color I went for. I didn't go for all the other color morphing colors and whatever, because I'm not really I don't really like that. Not really feeling the whole need for speed thing. So but yeah, I'm looking at it right here. It looks freaking sweet. As you can see, it's still pretty bright out, but I'll wait to do like a full look around video of it when it gets a little darker. But you can already see them shining. Did one light per wheel well, just because the kit for it was so insanely cheap off of Amazon, and I had extremely good reviews. So I figured I'd give that a shot. If it wasn't bright enough, I could always go back and put another, put 2 in per wheel well. But as of right now, I don't think I'll need to, because it's pretty freaking bright. So really excited, and this is the first time I'll be seeing it at night. So hopefully it looks sick. I know it's going to, but yeah, I guess when it gets a little bit darker, I'll go ahead and make a little reveal video or whatever. So yep, let's do it. After doing that little walk around, going down the driveway or whatever, it looks so freaking sick. I'm in love with it. Let me know what y'all think. I'm freaking stoked. I'll see y'all in the next one.